The 2026 YouTube algorithm ignores retroactive SEO. You can no longer upload a video and try to optimize it later. To rank at the top, you must build the strategy before you upload the file. Hoping the algorithm eventually finds your audience does not work. Instead, you need to calculate exactly what viewers are looking for, isolating search phrases where demand is high but competition is non-existent. By the end of this workflow, you will have a scheduled video targeting a mathematically verified keyword, perfectly formatted metadata, and an automated thumbnail test running. To execute this, you need 3 things ready to go: your finished video file, access to your YouTube Studio dashboard, and the free vidIQ browser extension. When you replace creative guesswork with a data-driven framework, securing that #1 search spot becomes a predictable, repeatable process. Looking at this analytics dashboard, we start the workflow by entering a broad category related to your niche, something general like design or fitness. From there, select the Matching Terms filter. This takes that massive, highly competitive topic and fractures it into specific, multi-word search queries that actual humans are typing into the search bar. Scan the resulting list for a phrase that has a healthy search volume but a low competition score. This tells us there is an audience hungry for this exact topic, but very few creators serving them. Next, we manually validate the data. Copy that exact phrase, open a standard YouTube window, and paste it into the search bar to see what currently ranks at the top. Press Ctrl F or Command F and search for your exact phrase on the page. We are looking directly at the titles of every video currently ranking for this term. If 0 titles highlight that exact phrase, you have found a gap. YouTube prioritizes a most relevant result. By providing an exact match to the search query where no one else has, your video becomes the default top recommendation. This diagram breaks down the mandatory structure for your title. It requires 3 distinct parts: the benefit, the topic, and a hook. Take the exact validated keyword phrase you found and build it directly into those first 2 sections. If the phrase is "how to do basic motion design," that covers both the benefit to the viewer and the core topic. Keep those first 2 elements tight. The YouTube mobile app cuts off titles at around 60 characters. Any critical keyword placed after that invisible line will not be seen by viewers browsing on their phones. Finally, append a human-centric hook to the end, something like beginner-friendly or step-by-step. This phrasing reassures the viewer and builds immediate trust before they even click. Your title gives context. Your thumbnail creates curiosity. Never repeat the exact same text across both. They need to complement each other and not duplicate effort. Satisfying the algorithm's need for exact matching data early in the title and the viewer's need for clarity at the end maximizes the percentage of people who see the video and decide to click. Now we move to the description box. Step 1. Paste your exact video title as the very first line. This immediately reinforces the core topic for the search engine. As shown in this text box, write about a 200-word summary explaining what the video covers. Use natural, conversational sentences that a human would actually enjoy reading. While writing that summary, organically weave in 3 to 4 of the related long-tail search terms you identified during your initial research phase. Do not paste a comma-separated list of tags at the bottom of the box. YouTube actively penalizes keyword stuffing. If the terms do not fit naturally into a sentence, leave them out entirely. Next, build your chapter list to help viewers navigate the content. To successfully trigger YouTube's native chapter feature, your very first timestamp must start at exactly 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Formatting the metadata like a helpful, readable guide allows the semantic search AI to cleanly extract the context and categorize your video alongside the most relevant search queries. With the text optimized, scroll down to the thumbnail section in YouTube Studio and click Test and Compare. Upload up to 3 different visual variants for the algorithm to run against each other. Looking at this setup, notice that the background stays identical while only the center element changes. To run a valid scientific test, you must isolate a single variable, like testing 3 different facial expressions against the exact same text. The system decides the winner based on watch time share, not raw click-through rate. As this chart demonstrates, it prioritizes the thumbnail that attracts viewers who actually stay and watch the longest. An exaggerated clickbait image will pull in quick clicks, but if those viewers feel misled and leave after 15 seconds, that visual variant will actively drag down your video's retention metrics. Optimizing exclusively for watch time share aligns your content directly with the platform's ultimate goal, keeping people on the site for as long as possible. Go ahead and hit publish. Once the video is live, strictly avoid interfering with the automated test for at least 7 days. The platform needs enough traffic to reach statistical significance. It has to show the variance to a large enough pool of viewers to guarantee the winning result is accurate. When the test concludes, log which specific visual variable won in an external document. Over time, you will compile a proven playbook of exact colors, texts, and expressions that work for your specific audience. Testing one variable, confirming the data, and applying it to the next upload creates a continuous feedback loop. Your videos capture more relevant searches, hold viewers longer, and build a channel that grows predictably.